How to make Excel cells expand to fit text automatically. Excel cells have a default width and height that may not fit the text that you enter in them. This can cause the text to be cut off or spill over to adjacent cells. To avoid this, you can make Excel cells expand to fit text automatically by using one of these methods. Use the wrap text option. This option will make the text wrap within the cell and expand the cell height to fit the text. To use this option, follow these steps. Select the cells that you want to expand to fit text. Go to the Home tab and click on the wrap text option in the alignment group. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus H plus W on your keyboard. You will see that the cells are expanded vertically to fit the text automatically. Use the AutoFit option. This option will adjust the column width and row height to fit the text automatically. To use this option, follow these steps. Select the cells that you want to expand to fit text. Go to the Home tab and click on Format in the Cells group. Choose AutoFit Column Width or AutoFit Row Height depending on whether you want to expand the cells horizontally or vertically. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus H plus O plus I for column width or Alt plus H plus O plus A for row height on your keyboard. You will see that the cells are expanded horizontally or vertically to fit the text automatically. Use your mouse cursor. This is a quick and easy way to resize cells by double-clicking on the column or row border. To use this method, follow these steps. Select the cells that you want to expand to fit text. Place your mouse cursor over the right border of a column or the bottom border of a row until you see a double-sided arrow appear. Double-click on the border and you will see that the column or row is resized to fit the text automatically. That's it. You have successfully made Excel cells expand to fit text automatically. If you want to change them back to their default size, you can use the same methods and choose standard width or standard height instead of AutoFit.